guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this pretty bold look, but it's actually really easy to create. So if you'd like to learn, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I'm sure you guys can tell that this is a wig. I do not know how to wear wigs, but I really like the color of it. I really like how it looks. I had a problem like cutting it myself. It's a lace front, so just ignore it. We're just gonna go with the flow. But I do really like the color of it. I really wish I could dye my hair like this, but my job does not let me dye my hair colors, so I don't get to do that. But it looks really nice. If you guys want to know about it, I will link it down below or just let you guys know where I got it. But yeah, I'm sure it looks really real if you know how to cut it, but I do not, so. Alright, so anyways, we're going to go ahead and get into the tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Morphe 25A palette, and I'm just going to go in with this Morphe M504 brush, and I'm going to be using this very orangey color. And of course, as you guys know, I'm going to go ahead and start blending this into my crease. I already have foundation on, my brows, concealer. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, the LA Girl Foundation, and Anastasia Dip Brow. And of course I put the foundation on my lids and set my under eyes with the Luscious Cosmetics Camera Powder, I think that's what it's called. And I do want this crease to be relatively bold. I'm going to use like some pretty bold colors today. Not bold, but I'm going to use some pretty dramatic colors. Alright, now I'm switching into this Morphe M513 brush, and I'm going to be going in with this brownie reddish color. And I'm going to be blending this on the outer and inner part of my eyes and blend it into my crease. And of course, I'm just going in with the first brush and just blending it all together. Right now I'm picking up this Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to be going in with this more of a deeper brown shade right here. And actually, I'm going to mix that color with this one, the next color, and tapping that off. And I'm going to be focusing this on the outer and inner part. And when there's no more product left on the brush, I'm going to start blending it into the crease. I feel like that's not a deep enough color, so I'm going to go in with this color at the bottom, which is next to the black color, and it's pretty dark. Now, I'm not worrying too much about blending that together yet. I'm going to go in with a different brush to blend it all together. And with the second brush I was using, I'm going through to blend out the deeper color. Alright, so now I'm going in with a smaller detailed blending brush. This is the Morphe E18 brush, and I'm going to be going into that color we were using in the crease originally. And I'm just going to be blending this under my waterline. Alright, so now I'm going to be picking up the darker color right here that we were using, and I'm only going to be tapping into it a little bit and blending this only on the outer part. Alright, so now I'm going in with a bigger blending brush, and this is the Morphe E17, and I'm going into the orange color we were using, and I'm just using that to blend out these under colors. Alright, so now I'm just picking up this blending brush because I didn't bring a flat brush down, but I'm going to be going in with this first color right here, and I'm just really picking up this color, and I'm going to be laying this on the middle part of the lid area. I'm not trying to like cut my crease or anything. I kind of just want it to kind of fade into the darker colors. So I'm just really picking up that color and placing it on the lid. And I'm going to go in with that brush because I got a little bit of powder right there, so I'm just kind of blending that on the outer parts. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking mascara. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Mascara. And of course, hopefully not getting it in my wig, but I'm going to be putting this on the top and bottom lashes. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to face. I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution bronzer in the color Ultra Bronze. Looks like this. And I'm going to be taking my Morphe R2 brush and just dipping into that. And I'm going to be moving my hair out of the way, my wig out of the way, and just bronzing up my face as I normally would. And now I'm going to be going in with the blush and the brush I always use. This is the Lexi 514 blush brush, and this is the e.l.f. blush in the color Blushing. And I'm just going in and putting this on the apples of my cheeks. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my Hard Candy Matte Sheer Envy Setting Spray and just spraying my entire face with it. Alright, so now I'm going in with my highlighting brush. I love to use the Morphe M510 brush, and I just realized I used pretty much all but one Morphe brushes. And now I'm going in with my Jeffree Star's Manny MUA collaboration highlighter in the color Uranus, and this highlighter is beautiful. And I'm going to be putting this on my face. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetics gloss. This is in the color Like. And just putting this all over my lips. Alright, that is everything. That is the completed look. This was actually, I've probably been filming for like 10 minutes, no joke. This was a really quick look to do, besides the foundation and concealer and brows and everything, because I did that off camera. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like how this turned out. I had no idea what I was doing with this look, but it kind of turned out good, so yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.